A former Little Rock police officer terminated after shooting and killing a man this year, back in court today fighting to get his job back. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6, everyone. I'm Bob Clausen. Ashley has the evening off. It's been almost a year since Starks shot and killed Bradley Blackshire during a traffic stop. Starks was never charged in the shooting, but he was fired over it. His first appeal to the city's Civil Service Commission, but that didn't work. So now he is in court, appealing again. Susan LaCorey joins us now live outside the Pulaski County Courthouse where the hearing went down today. Did we hear anything from the judge today, Susan?
Well, Bob, the judge used today to set up the information that he'll weigh in this case that the Civil Service Commission excluded. And he did make it clear the two things that he's looking at here is first, did Charles Starks break any rules as a Little Rock police officer? And then if he did, was the punishment of firing him acceptable based on what happened? As the door closed on Pulaski County Judge Tim Fox's courtroom, the hearing started. Charles Starks hopes this will get him back on the force. A short cell phone video was the only recording allowed inside. Starks is appealing the Civil Service Commission's ruling, which found Little Rock police were okay to fire him. Judge Fox used this hearing to lay out the key information he'll consider, some which the commission excluded.
What did you find when you got there?
That started with testimony. The judge let retired police sergeant James Stevens state on the record that he thought Starks shouldn't have been fired and instead given a 10-day suspension. He's also allowing similar testimony from Assistant Chief Ellis Folk. Starks' lawyer considers both small victories.
The only police administrator that says he should have been fired was the mayor, the police chief, at the request of the mayor, in my opinion.
But after court, Chief Keith Humphrey had a different take.
I make the decision I feel that I need to make. We're not going to always agree, but I respect their decisions.
The judge is also considering two things the Civil Service Commission didn't. Blackshire's autopsy results, which found he had multiple drugs in his system, including PCP, cocaine, and methamphetamines, as well as the prosecutor's report, which says the shooting was justified.
It goes to showing that what Officer Starks did was completely legal. So should he lose his job, his occupation, over committing a legal act?
The investigation was laid out, and I made a decision based on the facts.
Those are arguments lawyers on each side now have to write up and send to the judge before he hands down his ruling. And there was no ruling here today. Instead, the judge gave lawyers on both sides until next Friday to send in their final arguments. Then once he gets those, he'll decide how much time he needs to make his final decision. Live in Little Rock, Susan LaCorey, back to you.